Here are Grandma's 34 lemon hacks you didn't know worked. Treat dandruff. Grandma always turned to lemons for scalp troubles, and it still works today. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon and massage it directly onto your scalp before a shower. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse and shampoo as usual. The citric acid in lemon juice helps balance scalp pH and break down buildup, reducing flaking and itchiness naturally. Use this twice a week for best results. Once your scalp is soothed and refreshed, there's another way lemon quietly supports the body. One drop at a time. Help lower blood pressure. Lemons were part of Grandma's morning routine for a reason. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. The potassium and antioxidants in lemons may support better circulation and vessel flexibility, while vitamin C boosts overall heart health. While it's not a cure, it's a simple, healthy habit that fits into any daily rhythm. With the inside cared for, it's time to bring that same brightness to something hanging by the stove. Shine copper cookware. Restore your copper pans with a little lemon magic. Cut a lemon in half. Dip the cut side in salt, then scrub the copper surface. The acid dissolves tarnish, while the salt adds gentle abrasion. Rinse with warm water and buff with a soft cloth. In minutes, your cookware will gleam like new. It's natural, safe, and far better smelling than chemical cleaners. With your pans sparkling, let's take that tangy power outside to keep a few fluffy garden thieves at bay. Dieter squirrels from garden. Lemons send squirrels running the other way. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and spritz it around garden beds, planters, and fence lines. You can also scatter lemon peels around high traffic spots. The strong citrus scent is irritating to squirrels, keeping them from digging or chewing your plants. It's safe, natural, and won't harm your garden. While the pests stay away, your plants deserve a boost too, using that same fruit in another form. Fertilize plants. Lemons make great plant food when used right. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 gallon of water and use it to water plants like azaleas, tomatoes, or ferns that prefer acidic soil. The diluted juice gently lowers pH, improves nutrient uptake, and discourages mold growth. Use every couple of weeks during growing season for a natural boost. Your plants will perk up in no time, and with everything growing strong, there's still more citrus-powered wisdom to squeeze out next. Kidney stone prevention. Lemon water was one of Grandma's favorite daily habits, and it turns out it helps more than hydration. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and drink it once or twice daily. Lemons are rich in citrate, a natural compound that may help prevent calcium from forming kidney stones. It's a simple, refreshing way to support kidney health and stay ahead of issues. Just a squeeze a day goes a long way. And once the body's taken care of, there's a way to keep your fruit looking just as fresh. Prevent fruit browning. Lemons keep sliced fruit from turning brown. After slicing apples, pears, or bananas, drizzle them with a few teaspoons of lemon juice or toss them lightly in a bowl with diluted lemon water. The ascorbic acid in lemons slows oxidation, keeping fruit looking bright and appetizing for hours. Perfect for lunch boxes, party platters, or meal prep. It's a simple trick with citrus power. Once the snacks are ready, there's a quick way to deal with those greasy, post-cooking hands. Clean, greasy hands. Got sticky fingers after cooking? Lemons cut the grease. Squeeze a bit of lemon juice into your hands. Rub them together like soap and rinse with warm water. The natural acids in lemon juice help break down oil and neutralize strong odors, especially garlic or fish. It's gentler than harsh soaps and leaves your hands fresh and smooth. Keep a lemon half by the sink for quick cleanups. Once your hands are clean, there's another way this citrus soothes, especially when your throat starts to ache. Aid sore throat. A warm lemon drink is a time-tested soother. Mix the juice of half a lemon with warm water and a spoonful of honey. Sip slowly to ease discomfort. The lemon's acidity helps cut through mucus, while vitamin C and honey calm inflammation and coat the throat. It's one of Grandma's oldest cures, and still one of the best. Keep it handy during cold season. As the warmth settles in, there's a clever citrus trick for when the fireplace leaves the air a little stale. Freshen fireplace air. Fireplaces are cozy, but they can leave a lingering smell. Toss a few lemon peels into the fire the next time it's burning. As they heat up, the oils in the peels release a fresh, citrusy aroma that helps neutralize smoky odors. You can also simmer lemon peels with water and cloves on the stove for a gentle, whole-room refresher. It's a natural way to clear the air without sprays, and as the scent drifts through your home, more lemon-powered hacks are waiting to be uncovered. Whiten Laundry. Brighten dingy whites with the natural power of lemon juice. Add half a cup of lemon juice to your washer's rinse cycle, or soak clothes in a mixture of lemon juice and hot water for an hour before washing. The citric acid gently lifts stains, removes yellowing, and deodorizes without bleach. Hang items to dry in the sun for an extra whitening boost. It's fresh, chemical-free laundry care straight from Grandma's playbook. And once the linens are crisp and clean, the same fruit tackles another machine we use every morning. Descale coffee machine. Lemon juice can descale your coffee maker just like vinegar, without the strong smell. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water, pour it into the reservoir, and run a full brew cycle. Follow with 2 cycles of plain water to rinse. The acid in the lemon juice breaks down mineral deposits and residue, leaving your machine clean and your coffee tasting better. It's simple upkeep with a citrus twist. With your coffee brewing bright again, it's time to fix up what's cooking on the stove. Make rice less sticky. A splash of lemon juice in the pot can prevent sticky rice. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice to your rice water before cooking. As the rice simmers, the acid helps separate starches so the grains stay fluffy instead of clumping together. It works especially well for long-grain rice like basmati or jasmine. The rice turns out light and fragrant with a subtle brightness. Once dinner's off the heat, don't toss those empty lemon halves. Give them a second life in the garden. Use as plant pot for seedlings. Start seedlings in a hollowed lemon half. Scoop out the pulp, poke a small hole in the bottom for drainage, then fill with potting soil and plant your seed. As the seedling grows, the lemon peel naturally biodegrades, adding nutrients to the soil when planted directly into your garden. It's eco-friendly, free, and a great way to reuse kitchen scraps. Once your little plant is sprouting strong, there's one more way lemons support growth, this time from the inside out. Help manage weight. Lemon water can support weight goals when used daily. Start your morning with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice, about half a lemon. It jumpstarts digestion, may boost metabolism, and encourages hydration, all helpful in managing weight. The flavor also makes it easier to drink more water throughout the day. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a smart, healthy habit Grandma wouldn't skip. And as your routine finds its rhythm, there are more ways this fruit keeps on giving. Clean cheese grater. Cleaning a cheese grater can be tricky, but lemon makes it simple. Cut a lemon in half and rub the cut side directly over the grater's surface. The juice loosens stuck-on cheese and neutralizes odors. Follow with a quick rinse under warm water and a scrub with a sponge if needed. The acidity helps break down oils and protein residue, leaving the grater fresh and clean. No more cheese crust. Once your tools are spotless, there's a bright way to care for your fingertips too. Brighten Nails. Lemon juice naturally brightens stained or dull nails. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a small bowl, then soak your fingertips for 5 to 10 minutes. The citric acid gently lifts discoloration, especially from polish or everyday grime. Rinse and moisturize afterward to avoid dryness. This little soak leaves nails looking clean, shiny, and refreshed. It's an easy self-care boost. Once your hands are glowing, there's a stain on your favorite mug that could use the same attention. Remove mug stains. Tackle stubborn tea or coffee stains inside your mugs with lemon power. Sprinkle baking soda into the mug, then add a few drops of lemon juice. Scrub with a sponge or cloth in circular motions. The fizzing action helps lift residue, while the lemon cuts through the stain and deodorizes. Rinse thoroughly and dry. Your mugs will look brand new again. And when baking calls for buttermilk, but none's in the fridge, a citrus swap saves the recipe. Homemade buttermilk substitute. Make a quick buttermilk substitute using lemon juice. Pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into a measuring cup, then fill with milk to reach 1 cup total. Stir and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes until slightly curdled. This mix mimics buttermilk's tang and acidity, perfect for pancakes, biscuits, or dressings. It helps activate baking soda in recipes for a fluffier result. No last-minute store run needed. And while you're mixing up the kitchen, there's a refreshing way to perk up your breath. Help freshen breath. Lemon juice can freshen breath naturally. Squeeze a few drops into a glass of water and swish it like mouthwash for 30 seconds, then rinse with plain water to protect enamel. The acid helps neutralize bacteria and banish bad odors, especially after eating pungent foods. For an added boost, chew on a small piece of lemon peel for a minute. It's a zesty, natural fix that leaves your mouth feeling clean and crisp, no mince required. Remove sweat stains. Lemon juice is a natural weapon against yellow underarm stains. Squeeze fresh lemon juice directly onto the stained area, then sprinkle a little baking soda on top. Rub gently, let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and wash as usual. The citric acid in lemon juice breaks down the proteins in sweat while baking soda lifts the discoloration. It works best on white or light fabrics. Clothes come out fresher and brighter. Once your shirt's clean, your skin could use a little brightening of its own. Exfoliate skin. Lemon juice makes an easy, effective natural scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a splash of olive oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your face, hands, or elbows in small circles for a minute or two, then rinse with warm water. The sugar sloughs off dead skin, while the lemon's citric acid helps brighten and cleanse. It leaves skin smooth, refreshed, and glowing. And when your stomach feels off, this fruit might help more than you'd expect. Aid an upset stomach. A warm glass of lemon water can soothe digestion. Squeeze half a lemon into a mug of warm water and sip slowly. Lemon stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and helps rebalance pH levels, easing discomfort like bloating or indigestion. It's especially helpful after heavy meals or when your gut feels sluggish. Mild, natural, and easy to make. And once your stomach settles, it's time to tackle another kitchen challenge. Those clingy, lingering food smells. Remove garlic or onion smell from hands. Lemon juice cuts strong kitchen odors in seconds. After chopping garlic or onion, rub half a lemon directly over your hands and under your nails. Let it sit for 30 seconds, then rinse with cool water. The lemon's acidity neutralizes sulfur compounds responsible for lingering smells. No more scrubbing with soap that doesn't work. It's fresh, fast, and effective. Now that your hands are freshened up, it's time to give your skin a natural glow boost with a simple nighttime blend. Brighten skin when mixed with Vaseline. Lemon and Vaseline make a powerful skin brightening duo. Mix a teaspoon of lemon juice with a tablespoon of Vaseline, then apply it to dark spots, elbows, or knees before bed. The lemon's natural acids help lighten discoloration, while the Vaseline seals in moisture and protects the skin barrier. Use it consistently at night for smoother, more even-toned skin. Be sure to avoid sunlight after applying lemon to skin. Wake up to softer skin and keep that glow going strong. Protect against anemia. Lemon juice helps your body absorb more iron from food. When eating iron-rich meals like spinach, lentils, or red meat, squeeze fresh lemon juice over your dish or into a glass of water on the side. The vitamin C in lemons boosts non-heme iron absorption, helping your body get the most from plant-based and animal sources alike. It's a simple dietary habit with real benefits, especially if you're feeling tired or low on energy. Once your plate's nourishing you better, it's time to clear the air, starting with the sink. Remove sink odor. Lemons quickly neutralize sink smells. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice down the drain, then drop the peels in as well. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then flush with hot water. The natural oils in the peel and the juice's acidity kill bacteria and deodorize, cutting through grease and old food odors. For extra power, add baking soda before the lemon juice. Your kitchen smells clean in minutes. With the sink fresh, the rest of the surfaces are next in line. Make all-purpose cleaner. Create a natural cleaner that works all over the house. Combine 1 part lemon juice, 1 part white vinegar, and 2 parts water in a spray bottle. Shake well and use on countertops, appliances, or bathroom surfaces. The lemon adds antibacterial properties and a fresh scent, while vinegar cuts through grease and grime. It's chemical-free, affordable, and works surprisingly well. Once your surfaces are shining, you might want to turn your attention to freshening something else, starting from the ground up. Remove foot odor. A quick lemon soak can freshen tired, smelly feet. Fill a basin with warm water and squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Soak feet for 15 to 20 minutes, then dry thoroughly. The lemon juice's natural acids help kill odor-causing bacteria and leave your skin smelling clean. Do this regularly for lasting freshness. It's especially helpful after long days in socks or shoes. Once your feet are refreshed, let's head back to the kitchen to take care of one last daily grime magnet. Clean stovetop. Lemon cuts through stovetop grease with ease. Slice a lemon in half. Dip the cut side in baking soda and scrub greasy spots directly. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. The lemon juice breaks down oils and stains, while the baking soda adds grit for scrubbing power. It's a natural, food-safe way to keep your stove sparkling. Repel bugs. Lemon rinds naturally deter insects without chemicals. Take a few fresh lemon peels, wrap them in a kitchen paper towel, and secure with a rubber band to create a small pouch. Place it on windowsills, doorways, or near cracks where bugs tend to sneak in. The strong citrus oils in the rind act as a natural repellent, especially against ants and flies. Replace the pouch every few days for best results. With the bugs turned away, it's time to bring some extra sparkle to your glassware. Clean glassware. Bring dull glasses back to life with lemon. Fill a sink or basin with warm water. Add the juice of 1 lemon and soak the glassware for 10 to 15 minutes. For tough spots or residue, rub with a lemon half dipped in coarse salt. Rinse and dry for a crystal clear finish. The lemon's acidity cuts through film and hard water stains, leaving behind a streak-free shine. Once the glasses gleam, it's time to disinfect where you chop, slice, and dice. Disinfect cutting boards. Sanitize your cutting board the natural way. Sprinkle coarse salt or baking soda on the surface, then rub with a cut lemon, squeezing slightly as you scrub. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water. The lemon's acidity kills germs and lifts stains, while the salt scrubs away odors and residue. Ideal for both wood and plastic boards. This method keeps prep areas fresh and safe. And when the board's clean, the next stop is that chilly space behind the door. Deodorize fridge. Keep your fridge smelling clean with a lemon-powered refresh. Soak a cotton ball or small sponge in lemon juice. Place it in a dish and set it inside your fridge. You can also leave half a lemon uncovered on a small plate. The lemon absorbs unwanted odors and releases a light citrus scent that keeps your fridge fresh. Replace it every few days. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.